What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend MATIC. Currently, we're sitting at 66 cents. We're up about 7% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 5.25 billion. 24-hour volume, 516 million. Let's hop straight into it. We're going to start here on the 4-hour time frame. So we talked about this major level of resistance coming in at about 75 cents. I said if we get rejected here and we roll over, that's when we're going to come down to that 41 to 45 cent level. Now, of course, we can always see a throwback and break this level of resistance and see that push up to about that $1 range. But I definitely think there would be a high likelihood we get rejected by about 83 cents. We do have a hidden bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we have a lower low while creating a higher low on the RSI, which can be an early indication that the bears are regaining strength to push down the price. Now, we did break down out of this ascending triangle. Let's see if we met the technical target. We're pretty close to the target. We haven't quite met it. Of course, we can still reach that target if we do sell off here. Now it looks like we have a little bit of a bear flag going on for our friend MATIC. So if this were to break down here, that could take MATIC down basically to that previous swing low at about 54 cents. If that swing low is lost, that's when you're going to come down to that 42 to about 45, 47 cent range. So if we pop over to the daily, I have been talking about Bitcoin coming down to 22 to 24K. If that does happen, I definitely think MATIC will come down to that 40 cent range. And possibly we may wick down or come down to the 29 to 32 cent range where this cluster of support is for our friend MATIC. And if we take our Fibonacci from that previous summer low up to the swing high, you can see the 1.272 lines up with that 40 cent support, and the 1.414 lines up with that 30 cent support for our friend MATIC. We basically have a massive bear pennant as well. So I will give you a technical target breakdown here. You can measure flagpole, take it to your point of breakout, and that would bring MATIC all the way down to that 1.414 coming in at 33 cents. Now, if we do bounce, your levels of resistance to watch, of course, the previous resistance at about 74 cents, and then you're looking at about 84 cents. If we scroll back, you can see the support and resistance in this area. If you push above that, then the $1 range. But as of right now, we're consolidating. In my last video, I mentioned the daily EMAs. I said if we see consolidation, we allow the EMAs to catch back up to the candles before seeing that continuation to the downside. I would be very surprised for us to bounce back above the EMAs and see continuation to the upside to retest the previous high. I don't think that's the likely scenario, but anything can happen. Maybe this is the bottom for BTC. But as I've been mentioning, in each and every bear market, we have come down to the 200-week moving average for Bitcoin, currently coming in at 22K. So we'll take a quick look at Ethereum. But first, a quick shout out from today's video sponsor, Cryptocom, the world's fastest growing crypto app. They have their incredible DeFi wallet where I stake all my CRO for 12%. I stake my Atom on there for about 15, 16%. Your keys, your crypto. Definitely recommend checking out the DeFi wallet, my favorite part of Crypto.com. And of course, Crypto Earn, where you can earn incredible interest on staking your coins. They have 12.5%. Just let it load up here. They have 12.5% on MATIC. Where are we here? Where are you, MATIC? 12.5% on Polygon, 12.5% on Polkadot. Beautiful way to earn interest on your coins on the Crypto.com app, as well as they have their incredible Visa card for cashback and crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. You can sign up through the top link in the comment and receive $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's take a quick look at Ethereum. We're going to start here on the daily time frame. Just a brief overview of ETH. We are in a technical target down to 1503 from this bear flag. We also have that massive head and shoulders. I do think if Bitcoin comes down to 22K, that Ethereum will come down to this level of support in between 1267 and about 1416. If we pull our Fibonacci here from the summer low, you can see it lines up. Let me quickly take this one out. You can see it lines up with the 1.272 absolutely perfectly. As you can see, we've come down and retested the summer low. So if we do lose that level of support, I would expect 1330 for Ethereum. And as I've been mentioning on the weekly time frame, we did have a bearish divergence, higher high, lower highs. We still have room to come down. I do think we will come down to that at least 30 level on the RSI, trend towards oversold before seeing that large push back to the upside and the continuation of the bull run. As you can see, we're about to print the bearish cross of the weekly EMAs. And if we scroll back to the last time we had the bearish cross, we can't quite see it on this chart here. Let me pull it up on Kraken. Let me get Kraken. Let's get Kraken. Good one. So here's the last time we had the bearish cross, which was the bear market of 2018. And you can see it was an early signal of continued sell-off. So as of right now, we're about to print the bearish cross once again. So it could definitely be coming down to that $13,000 level, which actually lines up with the previous bull market high of 2018. So that's basically it for this one. Just a quick little update. If we were to see that push back up, then your levels of resistance to watch are that 74-cent range. If we push all the way up to 83 cents, we also have the 20 EMA that will act as resistance. And if we just continue to consolidate here and we start to break down, just target that 40 to 45 cent range, 42 to 45 to 47 cent range. I'll definitely be looking to dollar cost average in this area. I'm already dollar cost averaging into MATIC, but I have multiple accounts. So if we start coming down to these price ranges in between 30 to 40 cents, I'll definitely start loading the bags for MATIC and for many other projects if they come down to those lower price targets. That is basically it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord, over 1,900 members. We have the DCA charts for the live dollar cost average trades. Actually, let me pop open the one for MATIC so you guys can get an idea of what's going on here. So here is the one for MATIC. So far we've had 7 entries. You have 8 entries in total, equal amounts at each buy zone, brings your average price down halfway each time. And our break even is currently sitting at $1.35. It's all explained in the Discord. Very simple method of trading if you're a busy person or you just don't have time to be watching the charts. You can dollar cost average into your positions. It's fully explained in the Discord with buy and take profit zones, so you can begin to dollar cost average into your positions. Also, 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the $10 membership, I give trade signals, my exact entries, exits, take profits, and stop losses. I'm not going to open it up here because then everything would be visible. But you can sign up to the Patreon if you want to trade with me. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.